Mastering English verbs. Direct objects with infinitives. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving deeper into the fascinating world of English grammar. We're focusing on a key concept: verbs followed by infinitives with direct objects. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to correctly use this pattern and enhance your English language skills. So, let's get started. First things first, let's clarify what direct objects are. In English, a direct object is the person or thing that directly receives the action of the verb. For example, in the sentence, I read a book is the direct object because it's directly receiving the action of the verb, read. Next, let's review infinitives. An infinitive is the base form of a verb preceded by the word to. For example, to run, to eat, and to dance are all infinitives. Infinitives can be used in various ways, but in this video, we're focusing on when they're used with direct objects. Now, let's bring it all together. Certain verbs in English are followed by infinitives with direct objects. This means that after these specific verbs, you'll find an object and then the infinitive verb. Here's an example. I advised him to stop. In this sentence, advised is the verb, him is the direct object, and to stop is the infinitive. Other verbs that commonly follow this pattern include ask, allow, command, encourage, forbid, invite, tell, and want. For instance, you might say, she invited me to dance, where invited is the verb, me is the direct object, and to dance is the infinitive. Let's look at more examples to solidify our understanding. 1. They asked us to leave. 2. My teacher encouraged me to try harder. 3. I told him to be quiet. In each of these sentences, the pattern is the same. Verb plus direct object plus infinitive. And there you have it. Now you're well equipped to use verbs followed by infinitives with direct objects in your English conversations and writings. Remember, it's all about practice. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel. So, go out there and start practicing. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has been helpful, and I can't wait to see you in our next grammar adventure. Happy learning!